Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 12,000 BTU air conditioners that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Mr. Cool DIY 12K BTU 4th Gen Energy Star Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. Mr. Cool 12K is the pinnacle of 12,000 BTU air conditioners. It's a split system type of AC with record-level specs in terms of energy efficiency, low noise levels, and overall smart integration and reliability. As with any 12,000 BTU air conditioner, Mr. Cool 12K can cool down spaces up to 600 square feet. This mini split does this job with record-level energy efficiency that can save you $1,000s in electricity bills in 20 years. It has the highest SEER rating of any mini split AC unit. With a 22 SEER rating, the Mr. Cool 12K is the most energy-efficient 12,000 BTU air conditioner. Compared to below 20 SEER rating and 10 EER rated models, the Mr. Cool 12K operates at plus 25% efficiency. This translates into major long-term energy savings and is also environmentally friendly. The high 358 CFM airflow ensures the homogeneous cooling effect and further reduces hot spots in up to 600 square feet area. Other similar 12,000 BTU units generate less than 300 CFM airflow. The noise levels are whisper quiet, with 23.5, 31.5, 38 decibels noise levels for low, mid, high fan speed settings, respectively. The Mr. Cool 12K is the quietest 12,000 BTU air conditioner. It's 2 classes quieter than the quietest window and portable AC units capable of generating 12,000 BTU of the cooling effect. Moving on at number 4, we have the Whynter 12007 BTU SACC Elite Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner Dehumidifier. Whynter Elite ARC122DS is the most energy-efficient 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner. The advantage of portable units is that you can easily move them from room to room. They don't require installation, and can provide powerful 12,000 BTU cooling output. To produce 12,000 BTU output, Whynter Elite ARC122DS requires only 1,000 W. That means it has a 12 EER rating, plus 40% above the 8.5 EER average for a portable air conditioner. For comparison, standard portable AC units require 1,400 W to produce 12,000 BTU output. With Whynter Elite ARC122DS you save about 0.4 kilowatt-hours 0.6 cents every hour. The noise levels are way below the average as well. With up to 52 decibels, this is one of the quietest portable AC units that can generate 12,000 BTU. This in part due to lower 155 CFM airflow. The 155 CFM generates less air swirling noise than comparable 200 plus CFM units. The SEER rating, seasonal EER rating, is 13. That's great for portable units, but they cannot be compared to the extreme energy efficiency of 12,000 BTU mini splits. At number 3, we have the Midea 12,000 BTU U-shaped Smart Inverter Air Conditioner. Midea U Inverter 12K is the revolutionary 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. The U-shaped design that lets in more natural light is the first thing people notice. The truly important parts are the superb energy efficiency and record-level low noise generation for a window unit, both thanks to the advanced inverter compressor. Superb energy efficiency. Midea U Inverter 12K has a combined EER rating of 15. That's way above the 9.5 EER rating average for 12,000 BTU window air conditioners. In fact, the Midea U Inverter 12K needs only 890 W to generate the massive 12,000 BTU cooling output. That's an even lower wattage requirement than the best mini splits. Midea U Inverter 12K has 2 super quiet settings. At low speed, it generates 147 CFM airflow and operates at 42 decibels noise levels. These alone are outstanding metrics for a 12,000 BTU window AC unit. On top of that, at high speed, the total airflow output is 464 CFM, above the highest airflow of the mini splits. It generates only 51 decibels even when pushing that massive airflow. The revolutionary U-shaped design of the window unit has been kindly regarded as one of the best innovations in window AC units. It enables for more natural light, makes the installation very easy, and you can even use the kit to operate the BTU Inverter 12K with open or closed window. At number 2, we have the Senville LETO series mini split air conditioner heat pump. Senville SDNL12CD is the cheap 12,000 BTU mini split alternative to some of the more expensive units. The key part is that the specs should be at least decent. Senville SDNL12CD has some super specs like low noise levels and high energy efficiency. The fact that it costs only $800, only about $300 more than less energy efficient and noisier window and portable air conditioners, is its strongest selling point. In less than 5 years, the higher energy efficiency will cover those $300, and in the next 15 years, you will save quite a lot on electricity bills. Senville SDNL12CD has a SEER rating of 19. That's quite a lot for a 12,000 BTU below $1,000 mini split. Comparatively, the most efficient portable AC has a SEER rating of 13. Mini splits like Senville SDNL12CD are also the quietest 12,000 BTU type of air conditioners. They don't produce 50 decibels noise levels like window and portable AC units with indoor compressors. Mini splits have an outdoor compressor, and the indoor air handler generates less than 40 decibels. In the case of Senville SDNL12CD, the complete noise level interval is 28.5, 30/38 of a decibel. That's on par with the quietest number 1 Mr. Cool 12K DIY unit. And finally at number 1, we have the Frigider FFP1222U1 portable rooms up to 550 SQ. Fort air conditioner. Frigider FFP1222U1 is one of the most well-known 12,000 BTU portable air conditioners. The fact that it's made by Frigider is a good guarantee for reliability. On top of that, the Frigider FFP1222U1 is a 12,000 BTU air conditioner with a heater. One of the few portable units that can be used in the summer as well as in the winter as a supplemental heating source. This tried and tested unit can use the 12,000 BTU of cooling power to cool down rooms up to 600 square featuring to produce 12 kBTU. The Frigider FFP1222U1 uses up to 1320 W of power. That's not as energy efficient as most of the other best 12,000 BTU units on this list. Its combined EER rating, CEER rating, is 9.9, which is not ideal. The optimized airflow, 206, 224, 241 CFM, and quiet Frigider compressor make it one of the most silent 12,000 BTU portable units. Its highest noise level is 52 decibels, much below 60 decibels of the standard 12,000 BTU units. The addition of a heater is a pro for everybody who requires optional supplemental heating in the winter. This is not a standalone heater, but it can produce much more heating than conventional space heaters. Essentially, it works as a 12,000 BTU AC heat pump. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.